Stream started. Hello.
Hello. Yeah, I did a little adjustment to Historia. Yes. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Welcome. How are you today? Everything okay? Welcome, welcome. Welcome. Yeah. Today has been kinda, what to call it, not very interesting. Yeah, just a bit boring. So I might not have was menaces. Yeah. Just a little bit. Yes. I was hoping, what to call it, make it so new people that join the stream would think twice about trying to spam something against the OS or something of the sort. Yeah. But then I realized I was actually also low-key threatening the regulars, so I decided to change it. Yeah. I heard no bot. Well, that's good. Yeah. Ah. Oh yeah, talking about threatening your viewers. I was watching this video. I don't know if you know who the Space Briefing Brit is. Are you aware of that particular VTuber? I mean, YouTuber. He's not a VTuber. Yeah. Or are you not aware of him? With the way you spell it, at least no. Spiffing breed? Really? The Spiffing breed is a YouTuber who basically likes to exploit systems. Let me grab the name directly. 1 second. Just going to open new window. And let's see. There we go. This guy right here. Yeah, he's basically a YouTuber who likes to exploit stuff.
Spiffing Brit.
Yeah. Basically, he likes to go and basically do QA testing on different systems and then start exploiting them. Yeah. His latest video was very interesting. Yeah, basically, he made a discovery about the YouTube algorithm that works like this. Basically, he discovered that YouTube, what they care about is percentage watch time and accumulated watch time, right? So if you have a video that is this long, and the watchers start watching, but then slowly drop off until the end of the video. And let's say this video has 50%. Hola Spy, bienvenido. 50% watch time, that is that the viewers on average watch only half of the video, right? He discovered that if this video is, let's say, 20 minutes, and there is another one like this one, but that one is 10 minutes, even if we both have the 50% watch time, the one with the longer duration lovely ambulance. The one with the longer duration gets the priority by the algorithm, basically because this one has 10 minutes in average accumulated watch time, and this one only has 5, right? Just given the length of the video, right? So he did this experiment where he basically grabbed a video like this that has 50% watch time at a 20 minutes video, right? And he thought, okay, so if what the algorithm cares about is the percentage and then the accumulated time, right? What happens if I cut the video in half, right? That means this becomes a 10%, I mean a 10-minute video, right? That retains the same percentage, and instead of becoming 50% because you cut it down, right? The statistics that were there before are not lost, so this remains with the 10% average accumulated. That means you have suddenly 100% average of viewer retention, right? So this suddenly boosted his video in the algorithm like crazy, like absolutely stupidly crazy ways. People were reporting that their entire homepage, the recommended feed, became nothing but videos of him. Like, he literally took over the entirety of the home screen from some people. Yeah. It was like this stupidly powerful hack. Yeah. Yeah. It was incredibly interesting. Yeah. Yeah. You only need to watch one of his videos to trigger that. Basically, it affected people who often watch him. Yeah. Because it was that much of a broken trick. Yes. He also discovered something very funny. If you have two videos, let me close this real quick. If you have two videos, let's say the first one is let's see, we have two videos, right? If the first one is a 10-minute video, right? And it has, let's say, 50% average watch time. If you have a video that is 100 hours with literally 10% watch time, the video that will be recommended, you would think would be the 10-minute video, right? Because he has a higher percentage, right? But that's not really correct. This one has a 5 minutes accumulated watch time, right? In pure minutes, not percentage. While this one has 10, right? That's how you can make live streams actually overwhelm small videos. Yeah. So basically, it's basically playing with the numbers. But something that he basically made very clear is that accumulated watch time and percentile watch time, that is from the average of every user, what percentage of the video is watched by them. That is, for example, 45 in average per user. And then there is the accumulated watch time, but in number per user. Let's call it 3 minutes 32 seconds, right? These two numbers are the ones that matter, right? So, from that, I learned a lot. Most of my videos have the unfortunate effect that, for example, for my live streams, after I end the live stream, that is the bot, right? For my live stream bots, the graphic looks like this. For the bots, right? For my normal video, it's a bit less awful, more like this, but eventually it goes down, right? But my bots basically have no retention, like at all. And for example, this one I get maybe, let me actually check directly on the YouTube page. I will give you an example with real data. Okay, so my latest Celeste video has this kind of retention. It looks like this. It just a sharp down, and then we have little bumps all the way from the bottom, right? It's not as bad as the bot one, but it's basically like this, right? From looking at what the speed frame rate did, if I were to cut the video to here, I will get a boost to the video, like a dramatic boost, right? But then you would get basically no video, right? Also, the average watch time for this one in particular is, in percentage, is 6.6%, and the duration is 2 minutes 37. Right? Now let me show you the one for a bot. Right? Let's say the latest killer frequency bot, right? So if I go over to the analytics, I can see that when it comes to retention, actually this doesn't have the data yet. Let me go further back. Let's grab one of the Elden Ring ones. Okay, so for engagement is wow, it doesn't actually show me the engagement. That's weird. I thought I had it here. What is it? Okay, here it goes. Why are there so many avalanches today? So here it goes. When it comes to average duration, I have 2 minutes 13, and the percentage is the percentage is manager. The percentage there we go is 0.7%. And what I notice, if you take note of this number right here, the average watch time per person in the bot, you might notice that if you recall, my streams have a 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes, basically, a starting screen at the start of every video, every bot, right? Well, that means people are not even watching, like at all. Basically, I lost everyone before they even hear my voice. Yeah. At least on the videos, they actually watch for a bit, right? But here, if you notice, they never even see me, right? They don't even see any gameplay. They don't hear my voice. They don't see my model. Nothing. They just watch like an average of 2 minutes of the opening of the stream, and they close the video. Yeah. Ain't that fun? So I discovered two things from that. The first one is that for the videos, I need a hook. I don't know if you have heard of those. Basically, I need an intro that will allow me to capture the audience enough to force them to watch more. I need a hook for the video. And for the live bot, for my streams, I need to change my starting screen. I need to make it way more interesting. Yeah. So here I need to change the starting screen. Shush, earphone. Yeah, I need a new starting screen. That's what the data is telling me. Ain't that fun? I need a hook, and I need a whole new starting screen. Yeah. Yes. The spectrum read actually discovered something else. Whether it's videos or bots, you, the audience, actually grabbing pieces of the bot to turn into clips. That's a horrible see. Actually boost the video. It actually helps. Basically, every view that the clips get is added to the data of the bot, which gives it a boost. Yeah. So if you ever see anything entertaining, clip it. It will actually help me. Yeah. Yes. That's something very interesting. Yeah. Yeah, that with the iceberg Harlocks. Yeah. So that's basically the mechanics of how YouTube works. Basically on videos, I need a hook to keep the audience watching, right? And I need to deliver it within this time frame. I need to do it before they leave, right? And actually it's probably even a smaller window than this, because by the time I'm at this point, I'm already at the bottom right here, right? So I need to do it even early on while we're still high. So that means I probably have like between 10 to 30 seconds to execute the hook correctly. Yeah. So I need to use the first 30 seconds, and that's stretching it. 30 seconds is still too much. I would say it's closer to 15 seconds to execute the hook and keep the audience watching. Yeah. Yes. Ain't that interesting? Also, here is a little tidbit. You know that clip that I made from the collab I had on Saturday? Yeah. He has been how to call it, not performing well. So far he has 20 views. Yeah. And from those, I believe most came from Peachy herself when she published the video on her Discord. Yeah. The retention is actually surprisingly good. It's closer to 44%. And the average view duration is like a minute and 26. That is very close to the halfway point of the clip. Yeah. But surprisingly, it's doing worse than my Celeste progressionally edits. Yeah. Ain't that interesting? Yeah. Yes. So I find it very funny how the algorithm works. Yeah. There are other cheats you can use that the Spiffing Breed notice, and he uses to boost his own videos. Yeah. Can you say Angel Skirt? Really? Well, I use it really without noticing, even though it's a bit of a weird what call it? Contraction? Yeah. Slang? Yeah. I usually try not to use them, but they slip out from time to time. Yeah. But yeah, the other tactics he used to boost the video were a bit crazy. Absolutely diabolic. Yeah. It was cheating, like blatant cheating. Yeah. Nonsensical cheating, which was surprisingly effective. Basically, when he made his experiment for the video, the one he cut in half, basically he titled the video, this video will self-destruct in 24 hours. And basically, he created the fear of missing out with that title. And then within the title, he explained what the experiment was and invited the watcher to comment in the video using words that people are searching for, like crypto and news titles and names of celebrities, anime, music, and everything, and type the comment as if the video actually included something about that topic. Yeah, health and fitness, recipes, movies, everything, right? Yeah, use every trick on the book. So that even boosted the video even harder. And then because every hour he basically cut the video shorter a little bit, every hour went smaller and smaller and smaller. he also told the people watching that in the comments they should made up whatever piece of the video was missing. Basically, he invited the viewers to make up stories about what was on the missing part of the video, and that caused people to think, wait, maybe someone uploaded the original video somewhere, right? So people started to search for the video they were currently watching, and because they didn't find it, they began to use his YouTube channel name while looking for the video, which boosted his channel and the video he was doing the experiment with. Yeah, and it became this perfect storm, this nonsensically powerful storm that I have never seen before. The video got like 6 million views in like 2 days. Yeah, that was a bit ridiculous. Yeah, it was impressive. Yes. I wish I could do something like that. Sadly, that's not really my, what to call it, my team. Because he's on team doing that kind of stuff, right? He even basically stole from Steam and from Twitch by doing something very smart. Basically, he noticed one of the currencies of a country that Twitch accepted as payment to buy bits and subscriptions was suffering from a very heavy inflation. So he basically went and used a VPN to connect to the country and bought subscriptions for himself and bits. And basically because the currency was losing values fast, he was subscribing to himself using that currency, and he would get money from Twitch, like the value of a subscription, even though he was paying like a fraction of the subscription each time. Yeah, that was also extremely silly. Yeah, I love his videos. They are awesome, actually. Well, you're suffering from connection issues, apparently. Hopefully the audio is my connection looks strong. Yeah, let me check just to be sure. Yeah, my connection looks fine. I don't see myself dropping any frames. My connection seems to be actually shifting a little bit. Yeah. Huh. I'm not disconnecting or anything, but I do see some drops in speed. Yeah. Maybe is that it? Oh, that's weird. Yeah, from my side, it seems the connection is fine. Yeah. Hmm. I just having issues with the stream? Or is everything okay? Everything okay? Am I still live? Because a bit sometimes it's not very reliable with the connection. Now you had me wondering, am I even live? You literally can't hear anything? Huh? The video stuck buffering? What? Wait, let me just check on my cell phone. YouTube. Where are you, YouTube? YouTube, YouTube. Where are you? Okay. So let's see. YouTube. Oh, excuse me. It's making noise. Here I am. Let me check. Yeah. I am live according to my cell phone. Yeah. You might need to reload the page. Yeah. Yeah, am I live? Yeah, I'm live. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Let me just type in chat. Just to make sure. Well, anyways, let me switch to the game development. Let's stop chatting and actually get to do something. Yeah. In depth.
Stream started. Hello, Spiffing Brit.
Hello.
Ola.
Hello, hello. Let me fix that real quick. Okay. So last time we were fixing the doors. Yeah. And I discovered this door in particular, I believe, doesn't actually have a matching cave. Yeah, it doesn't have a matching cave. Then I discovered there is a room right here that doesn't actually match any. What to call it? Any map? Yeah, anywhere. Yeah. So I was thinking maybe I will just simply convert this one to the one that is missing. Yeah. Yeah, this is pointing to 8.1 for some reason, but I already have a 8.1 map. Yeah, let me remove that one. Let's see. Balls. Let me just close that little hole. And let me see if I can match the metal set over here. This is 4 from this side right here. Yeah. So that would be 4 from this side right there. And I will just add the door. Generic cave door exit. And that's here. There we go. And I'm going to aim it to the correct map. That would be 7-1. There we go. And the position should be right here. Right there, that would be 36-48. Okay. Uh, 48. Okay, that's fixed, and this should point to the other one. Map 7-1 36-48. Yeah, that should be working correctly. Yeah, let's check it out. Are you still having issues, Ricardo? Damn it. Why is my cell phone being so annoying today? 1 second. I'm going to silence my phone. I tagged the ground map. Let's see. Yeah, it needs to be the cave. The cave one? Yeah. Okay. Let's see. It crashed. Caves are one. As a different reading it. Why did it crash? You're back. Welcome. Alright, I never actually changed the name of the map. Here we go. I don't know, but I think it was on your side. Yeah. Let me make myself a little bit bigger. Yeah. Oh, great. There is a new Dokapon. Apparently. Dokapon Squad of Fury. I wonder what that is. I just got the announcement. Hola otra vez, sorry por la que tenía directo abierto mientras hacía mi ruina de ejercicio. Que pausé desde la otra vez que había estado de vacaciones. Ok, no hay problema, no te preocupes. Todo está bien. Ok, veamos. Let's see. Oh, I see. Why are there so many ambulances today? Okay, brick. It seems the correct sprite is not being loaded. Terrain. Cave. Let me change this one. Duplicate. And I will just set this to the missing one. Break. Open. Okay. I got by the way, my sister is so depressed because she's gonna start working next week. I suppose she doesn't like her job. Yeah. Así spoiler, la vida de Spy ahora que materia de programación se cambió la dificultad legendaria de golpe. Nuestro que que da la materia es uno de los que pone el examen al 100%, al 100. Pues en teoría eso es bueno. Yo cuando estaba en la escuela siempre elegía a los profesores más difíciles porque mi objetivo era aprender programación, no tanto simplemente obtener el diploma. Quería realmente aprender. Yeah. No, it's going to be her first job. Oh, really? Interesting. A mí se pasó el Dark Souls de la vida. By the way, have I ever talked about what I did when I was studying computer science? He hablado alguna vez de cómo fue cuando estuve en la escuela, cuando aprendí ciencias de la computación. Básicamente, siempre iba con los maestros difíciles. Y hubo un semestre en el que tomé materias desde las 7 a.m. hasta las 11 de la noche. Y literalmente me estaba muriendo. Y fueron 6 meses así. There was this semester when I was basically taking classes from 7 a.m. in the morning to 11 p.m. at night every day. It was the roughest 6 months in my life. Yeah. Yeah, I think I would have learned more if I didn't do that, because I believe I struggle more to stay awake than with the actual courses. Yeah, it was awful. Yeah. It was extremely funny to me. It was very amusing to me, but it was awful, like capital A awful. Yeah, it was the worst idea I've ever had, and I had to suffer through 6 months of that. Yeah. Okay, this one is done. Let's go for the other caves. So we're missing 80 and 81. Yeah. That gave me off a bit. I don't know. Let's just say it was so rough that I look so, what to call it? Worn down. I was in such tatters that some teachers actually started to think that I was like a low income student. Yeah. Because I look like I was like a few steps away from that. Yeah. It was actually a bit funny, I will admit. Let's see. I need 8. Mm, 8. Not here. Is 8, 0 and 8, 1. Okay. So we have this one that matches this map right here, right? We're missing just these two doors. Let's see. Yeah, some teachers actually had pity on me. They thought I was like walking 6 hours from home and back to get to the class. Yeah, or something. Bueno, pues hay que veo que la materia no me termina partiendo la madre, ya que pues reprobé fundamentos de programación. También lo PS int. PS int. No recuerdo cómo se escribía, pero de la nada cambiaron a Java. Ah, de hecho sí hay materias que cambian. Te enseñan programación estructurada, que es usualmente con C++ o C#. Y luego cambian a programación orientada a objetos, que es Java. Yeah. Al menos así era cuando yo tomé esas clases. Yeah. Veamos. Let's see. Terrain. I need to switch this door right here. Let's remove that. And let me move the decoration actually. There is supposed to be a holder like that. Breakable. Door right there. There we go. And now we'll put back the decoration. Let's see. It should go to this position, and that would be y pues para rematar falté unos días porque me dio rotavirus y otra vez por más razón no supe qué está pasando. Sí, programación no es muy fácil de hallarle el hilo si apenas estás aprendiendo. Sí. Me pregunto si debería dar clases de programación, tomando en cuenta que también estoy enseñando a hacer juegos. Yeah. Posición 48-48. Okay. Position 48-48. So we should go towards breakable entrance door close. They should go to 80 on position 48-48. Okay. Creo que eso ya está. Y necesito ajustar esto. That would be to 48-48. Okay. ¿Tú crees que sería útil que diera algunas clases de programación? Do you think it would be useful if I actually uploaded some programming classes? Ya sé, podría calcular significativa solo con assistir porque no se me graba nada de origen de tener tanto en video como en texto. No. You don't know how to do it yourself? Yeah, and Spy seems to be not capable of actually learning from tutorials, so yeah, it might not be the case to be a good idea. Yeah, this one needs to be cave right here. Cave. There we go. You had no idea for everyone else? I see. Yeah. Let's test this one out. Probemos este de aquí. Okay, right there. The door is working. Sprinkle the normal opening. I cannot enter for some reason. Is there an issue with this? It did open as I wanted. It is pointing to the correct direction. Is there a problem with the collision? I wonder. collision mask. No, the collision is okay. Yeah, this collision is okay. Oh, that's weird. It was also working for the other door, right? Why is this one not working? Wait. Yeah, I got it. I see why. Okay, that's working now. Yeah. You wanna know what was the issue? Is that I made this thing invisible right there. And it was blocking the door actually, which I find funny. Yeah. Okay, that one is working. Bueno, al menos este maestro que me dará la materia va a enseñar Java y pues tengo suerte mínimo aprendiendo a crear mods para Minecraft. De hecho, Minecraft está programado en Java. Entonces, eso debería ayudarte bastante. Al menos el Minecraft original está hecho en Java. Yeah. Okay, next cave. This one is right there. That is 208 element 2. This one is in 208 element 2. They are actually on the correct position. Yeah. Let me kill that one and go to our exit right there. And I will set it to be to the, I believe this is 8.1, right? So 8.1. The position should be, let me check, right there. That is, actually I'm going to set it right there. You can just grab this, place it there, and grab that, and place it there. And then I just move this into place. Speaking of puzzles, your zodiac thingy inspired me, and I made a rough draft of a puzzle in the same style. Not using the zodiac, no? Yeah. The more you enjoy solving the puzzles, the more you get an itch to make your own. Yeah. I found out that I have that itch to make puzzles. Yeah. Okay. This needs to be there. So I would be pointing to cave on 8.1, and the position would be this one right here. Then we just put it back where it should be and enable the hidden slots. You don't know if you will ever go through the idea stage? Well, if you want to, you can post it on the game development channels in Discord, and we can take a look at it. Yeah. It might be an interesting exercise. Yeah. Okay. This one seems to be working just fine. Yeah. And I go back out and we're here. Yeah. That's fine. It's working perfectly fine. I don't know if I will post it. I don't think I would be able to post it without spoiling the whole thing. Ah. He said puzzle that needs to be integrated into game to work. I see. Well, you could either make a small game to use it, or if you want to, and if it fits with my structure, we could integrate it into my game, if you like. Yeah. That is only, of course, if you are okay with it. Okay, with this, the capes, I believe, are fixed. Yeah. You're afraid it would be a bit ambitious? Really? I really need to fix this issue with the front key. With the chest. It will require a whole massive area tucked behind the puzzle. Well, it's not like I have not seen that done before, like in Dark Souls, for example. Yeah. They had like the Ashen Lake hidden behind a whole two walls, two invisible walls, which was one kinda silly, in my opinion. Yeah. Yes.
E.
Welcome. Easy. Welcome. As a tip, it could be 10 around the Kabbalah or Tree of Life. It sounds interesting. I would love to see a game actually use it. I need to make... Oh, don't even block your path. Yeah. I think the caves have been fixed. Yes. Okay. Hmm. Okay, I think that's what I was missing for the completion of the version. Let me see. Yes, fix cave entrances. So that's version 2.4 working. Let me update this thing. Working on 2.5. Okay, latest release is version 2.4. Yeah, okay. And I will post the release. I also want this to... Okay, 1 second. I'm going to post the source code on Patreon before I forget, because I noticed that I do that very often when I forget to post the version. 1 second. Let's see. Let's start with the prototype. And I also need the source code. Let's image link. And this will be prototype 0.4. The changes are this one right here. Change log. Okay, added overall placeholder. New area map. I'll set the forest. Added the treasure chest, different treasure chests to the game, even though they are not really being used. Okay, let me copy that. And tax project set 1, project set 1, prototype, and let me make the carpet for the prototype. 0.0.2.4. Okay, and let me generate the executable installer. Zero point 2.4. That's the X being generated. And next, I will make the zip. There we go. That's the zip being created. And I will upload these files to this place. Okay. And I'm going to share this with a patron. Okay, there we go. That's the prototype. This is for all members. Actually public. Let's just say it as public. Okay. There we go. Prototype is up on Patreon. Yeah. Now let me make the source code file. 0.0.2.4 source code. And let me export the project. Source code. Okay. Okay. Now I will just upload this over here and share it. Share. Copy link, and we go to Patreon, create link. That's the link, and I copy this for the title, and I need the changelog. Okay, and changelog. The tags, project set one, source code. Next, this is for paid members only. Okay, there we go. And the source code is now public. There we go. That tree is called Sephiroth, I think. No, the Sephiroth are the nodes on the tree. That's really fun, right? When people start to wonder the lore behind your creation. Yeah. Okay, prototype is up. The tree of life, I believe it comes from Norse mythology, if I'm not mistaken. Well, that depends of which tree of life you are talking about. Yeah. I believe Kabbalah was Hebrew, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Yeah, Yggdrasil was from North mythology. Yeah. You like that version better? Yeah. It depends on what they change here and there, right? Okay, now that we are done with this, now I want to fix the AI for the enemies because she's kinda silly right now. Ah, I made a mistake. It's more of a conceptual construct than a trait. Let's see. This is enabled. Okay. Giant trees, I knew the Norse, Hebrew, and Islamic ones. Also, the biological one, I guess. The evolutionary tree of life. Yeah, that's another one. Though I don't really consider that one a mythology kind of tree. Okay, so we have this guy, right? He chooses the place he's going to attack from, then goes there and attacks. Okay, then goes there and attack. Right now, they are working surprisingly okay. Yeah, this guy is working fine. That's weird. Wasn't the pathfinding broken? He's working pretty much flawlessly right now. Yeah, it's actually, well, not flawlessly, but yeah. Now, that's an issue right there. They get stuck on the trees, apparently. Okay, then. So let's check that out. Enemies, where are you? Right there. The slime. Let's see. Obstacle distance is 2 in general. For the grid. Character name, move speed, path. There is obstacle detection, actually. I think it's just a weird bug. Yeah. Let me see the current effect. Random bridge. Election strain limit. Alerted. Pathfinding grid. Okay. These are the grids. Mark obstacle movement. Attack position. Attack state. This is the move function. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. So basically, it's more of an issue of the actual grid than the slime itself. I was just thinking through it. Yeah. Mark object. This is obstacle distance right here. Hmm. That's the issue. I see. Because I moved this code to the game objects, right? Game manager. Yeah. I believe I put it on from start. Yeah, it is mark object. And this is saying obstacle cleared. No, wait, that's fine. What was the value the slime was using? Obstacle distance. Okay. Let me check over here. Yeah, obstacle distance equals 1. Okay. Yeah, it's used on mark object right here. Let's see, over here we're calling mark object, but we do not. Oh, we're setting a default of 2. Mark cell. This is going to get the grid and marks just the cell. Marked region. Player create parallel tree. That's the issue. Okay. When the path is calculated, that shouldn't cause an issue. So what am I doing wrong on the calculation? Calculate. I'm getting the directions, grab the minimum and the maximum. I grab the increments. over 2. Okay. Then I set to that increment. If we are under 0, a minimum variable, we set increment to 1, and we just set the minimum. If we are over 0, we grab the maximum, and the increment is negative. Okay. Okay. So okay. So basically, if we are under 0, we set it to an increase in +1, right? We're giving a plusgram to the value to set, right? If we are over 0, we decrease it by 1, right? So in theory, the enemies should stay away from the obstacles, pretty much, regardless of the value I assign. So the issue should be on the game manager then, because I'm using in mark object, I'm using a mark cell of 10. That means I will mark basically I will mark if we have a grid, right? Right, the center will be 10, and because the difference between is not under 0, checking the values around, it will, in theory, put a 5 right here, right? And do the same everything around. Now for this value right here, I should grab the average around this. Hold on. Let's put an extreme here. How about if we have more values down here? Right? How about if we say this is -10? When we calculate this one in the center, one would be above, one would be below, right? So this one is going to be a 0. Then, given the current algorithm for calculating on this case where we are basically equal or above to 10, it will grab the maximum -1, and over here would be the minimum -1, +1 I mean, right? That's what would happen in these locations. Actually, that means this is not correct. this would be the difference between this maximum and minimum would be a 0. Hold on, let me check the code again. This is more complex than I thought. Yeah. Right here. We're grabbing the maximum and minimum values, right? And we're checking the maximum if we're under or we're over. If not, we just keep the... Wait. Value to set maximum minimum over 2. So the average. Right? So we have these two values that are the same. I will be basically doubling it right here. Wait, that doesn't really make sense, right? Because if this is 5, right? And this is 5. Over here, the addition will give us a 10, right? Which doesn't really make sense. Because in that case, the value will not be going down. Oh. It doesn't really recalculate, no. It just gets stuck. Maybe I should just recall the pathfinding if it's stuck at something. That might be a solution. Welcome back. You were thinking about the puzzle? Yeah. That's fine, that's fine. I'm just trying to figure out what would be here. I think I need to change this to just be 1. That way we don't have that issue. Yeah. Maybe that would actually fix it. Maybe. The trickiest part is just a very specific definition, so I think probably need to add it at the name of the author as a hint. Yeah, that's an issue. Oh, by the way, I was actually seeing a video about one of the most difficult items to get from Dark Souls 2, which is basically, let me show you. Basically, there is this pickaxe that is buried underground, right? It's a weapon you can get. Oh wait, why is it not showing paint? Hold on. Oops. 1 second. So we basically have this weapon, right? that is buried underground is basically a pickaxe, right? Apparently, Hinduists and Mayan have giant trees too, leaning towards Yggdrasil more than the Kabbalah. Ah, interesting. Yeah. So there is this pickaxe that is buried, right? The only thing that is basically telling you there is a pickaxe there is that there are some mushrooms on top of the place where it is, right? But even though these mushrooms are unique in the entire game, you cannot really interact with it, so there is no way for you to know there is a pickaxe there. You may ask yourself, okay, so then how do you get the pickaxe, right? Because you cannot actually dig it out yourself or interact with the mushrooms or anything. There is no message or anything telling you that it's there, right? So there is a bonfire somewhere in that area, basically, where nearby a bunch of hogs spawn, right? These are basically enemies. Basically, they are some pigs that spawn nearby the bonfire, right? They are actually hostile to you. So if you get close, they will attack you, right? On rare occasions, actually, there is a 1 in 1,000 chance a little pig that is not hostile to you will spawn instead of the enemy ones, right? A very tiny one. And what you need to do is guide this pig all the way through the level while fighting enemies, all the way to the mushrooms, where the pig will eat the mushrooms and in the process unearth the pickaxe. Yeah. In theory, it would be one of the hardest items to figure out for the community, because it would basically go this way, right? First, they will find the data for the pickaxe and they will assume is code content, right? Then someone might notice the mushrooms that are unique, right? That's another clue. Another person might notice that these are not just unique, they have this weird interactable collision box in it, right? So that would be hit number 3. Right? Someone may suddenly notice the unusual characteristic where sometimes a small pig, friendly pig, actually spawns instead of the enemies, right? But there is nothing connecting this pig to anything else, right? There is this like incredibly small, slim chance a player is aware of the mushrooms that are unique, and that is aware of the friendly pig, right? And then they might make the connection that pigs eat mushrooms, truffles, right? So they might actually link the pig with the mushroom, right? And then they might have the idea to lead the friendly pig to the unique mushrooms. And only then they will discover the pickaxe, right? So this would be one of the hardest items to discover within the game. Because you need to guide this pig to the truffles without getting it killed, defending it from enemies and everything else. And the pickaxe is not actually particularly useful. Yeah. Right? You know why nobody has complained about this secret item? You wanna know why? No one complained? Because all this was told to the community, to the Dark Souls community, on a official guidebook that was sold shortly after the game was released. The reason nobody complained was because the developers went out of their way to tell the community the pickaxe existed and how to get it. Yeah. Yes. That would have been low-key impossible. And again, the pickaxe is not really a good weapon or useful in any way. Yeah. Yeah. Then again, these are the same developers that gave you the pendant starting item. If you remember, the starting item that it just says on the description that may be useful in some way, but it doesn't actually do anything. Yeah. Yeah. So I like this kind of nonsensical hints. That is basically impossible to solve without really knowing a way to do it. To be fair, the tricky part of my puzzle will give you the name of the author and a vague description and event. I'll leave you to research where you need to search yourself. Yeah, it's a bit of an AR kind of puzzle. Yeah. I prefer to include everything you need in the game. Yeah, myself. But yeah, that kind of design is... I find it funny because that means there is this deeper mystery where sometimes people will discover stuff years after the publication of the game. Yeah. That's basically the lore of the Souls games. You need to know deep alchemical lore, work history, asymmetric and occult knowledge, etc. to defister anything. Yeah. Basically. Sadly, or fortunately, I enjoy that kind of stuff. Even if you don't fully get it, it will narrow down where you need to search it by a lot. Yeah. That's it, yeah. Okay, let me check if my little fix actually help. Yeah. Let's see. Nope, he's still getting stuck. Quite a bit actually. Let me do a bit of debugging real quick. Let's see. Oh, it might be this the issue actually. Yeah, okay. I see. Hold on. I know you cannot really see what I'm doing, but I'm just checking the book. Yeah. Hold on. Hold up. Let's see. Okay, we'll move these over here. Okay, okay, let's see. That should make things more clean. 1 second. Let me try. Yeah, actually making still causing issues. Hold on. Why are you causing issues? Hold up. So there is only 2 places where I'm using this. Actually, I don't need this. Let me delete that. Let's test again. Yeah, still causing issues. What's happening here? So it's only actually happening here. Let me check the manual. Let's see. Data up. Why am I getting this? Huh? Okay, let me do a little Google search because this is annoying me. Okay, 1 second. I don't know why it's showing me this warning right here. I don't know if you can see it. It's telling me the function is not finding the tilemap. And the only place where I use that function is right here. But that shouldn't be the case because map ID right here that I receive right there, right? It comes from specifically. Actually, I'm checking into places. Right here, I am checking that map ID actually exists, right? Using these two functions right there. But right, actually no. Never mind. No. Yeah, I am checking that it exists. I still cannot find the specified file map, which is weird. What am I calling this function on? From here. Layer exists. I just return. Get layer ID. So the layer exists. Okay. Layer exists. Then I ask him for the ID. What is this returning? It was layer. Yeah. That returned the ID. Okay. And I making sure it's not -1. Okay. So I have the ID right here, right? And then with the ID, I try to get the tile map. Remove the tile layer from layer. So this does give me the tile ID. Okay. Layer ID, map ID. Okay. And data. That should be working. What is not working? Oh. That's so weird. It's making errors for some reason. Okay, let me just add some breakpoints here, just to see what's happening. Yeah. Yeah, immediately I got an issue right there. Wait, when is this being called? Now that I think about it. These are being called on run start. Okay. Those are commented. It should be triggering a room start. And it says it doesn't exist. What the hell? Let's see. That's something else. Okay, what is on... let me minimize this so you guys can see. I wanna know the value of map ID right here. Map ID global squatch data locals self map ID 9 reference animation curve. So it's actually a valid number. But it says it doesn't exist, which is weird. This is so weird. Why is this causing an issue? Hold on. And check. I wanna know what layer we're checking. So let me add a little breakpoint right there. Let's see. And it immediately stopped. Let's see. Variables. This set is walls. Okay. Let us continue then. Then we're here. In the output, it says it didn't find the specific dataset. Continue. Let's keep these ones. It's triggering multiple times. That's so weird.
Boo.
Cool. Okay. Yeah, it's getting cold over and over for some reason. Actually, let me just remove these brakes so it's not triggering so much. Okay.
Verthandy.
Variables. Hello, what's up? I know you can't. There is not much to see, actually. I'm just trying to figure out what's up with the tileset issue. Yeah. Let me put the brake right here. Actually. Okay, map ID is 9. Let us set these walls. According to this, get ID. And that should be layer ID right here. Has a 2, so it does exist. Right here. So many ambulance. 3. Map ID is actually there. Oh. Okay, we are here, right? Let's see, I go here into file 2, and that's when it triggers again. Let's see. So we're checking for corners. We're checking for holes. It says layer ID exists. This is holes. Map ID. It does have a. Maybe this is not actually the problem. Yeah. Now that I think about it. Yeah. I don't think this is the problem. Let me continue. So we are here, right? So they are moving. Okay. The one on top is not actually up. Now it's moving. Now it's stuck. Let's see. Let's check on the enemy real quick. And let's see. We have the objects, upgrades, breakdowns, generic parents. I can close this. I want to check on the enemies. We have slimes. Let's see the step. So we are here, right? It's supposed to be using movement right here. And actually no, that's not it. I should be using actually, let me just reset this. 1 second. So the issue is with the collision, right? So let me go over here and check. on step. Wait. I'm using a generic movement. Hold up. Maybe then I should just check inside the grid. Next one tile right here. I kinda wanna know his value right here before the return. Okay. So if I go over here, immediately I get the return. Let's check the variables. We have minimum value is this. Result is that x, y. Yeah. Up, right, left, down. So this is a position right there. Great position is this. 36. 17 is basically moving in up. On the y, I have the grid right here. Oh, it's mostly filled with zeros at the start. Yeah. So basically the enemy tried to move before you had information to actually move. I see. Why is that happening though? It's triggering right there on the create. Yeah, that should not be happening on the create. Yeah, let me comment this real quick. Yeah, let's see. Actually, I can just current position is vector 2. Okay. So how about I just say new vector 2 just to have a filler for now. Yeah. Okay, puzzle's done. Basically a 4-step process. Really? Oh. Now that's quite the behavior. They are confused from what I see. Okay, let me debug a little bit. Okay, so let's see variables. The grid now has values right there. Yeah, which is nice. Well, some parts don't, from what I see. Hmm. The first part the player should be able to do by themselves without any hints. Some could require a bit of more attention, but it can still be solved if you are curious enough and pay enough attention. Hmm. So basically it has different levels from what you're telling me? Yeah. That doesn't really help. We'll get a text a hint and as a hint and notified something happened. They really got stuck, huh? Let's see what happened there. Grid position is giving us that the result is a different position. Minimum value, it has a value right there. We have an array right here. This array is from where? This array right here. Yeah, this array is on minimum values, I suppose. Yeah. Okay, other. Self is C and the script name. But there is the thing that happened is said in a way that just sounds like a normal event. In which way? Exactly. Globals. So file name. Okay. That's not gonna want it. Let's see. Animation end. Generic parents. Any parent. Great. Okay, let's see. So we're here. Self, instance, and order. Locals. Current. Array current. Great position right there. That's the position. Hmm. Hmm. Wait, if you hear a door open somewhere. I see, I see. Well, it would depend on the way you structure the puzzle, I suppose. Um, Current position. Pathfinding, wonder target. Already hit. The key, we have it right there. So you basically will be teasing the player with a giant ass door the whole game? That would be interesting, yeah. Not frames, parry. I suppose it's because we have not really reached that area yet. There we go. Target position, okay. More position. So the position is different. Yes. Target and current positions are like literally next to each other. So mark obstacle is supposed to be the one that takes care of the issue, basically. If you hit something, you're supposed to mark it, right? So I could just pass the location right there. Let me close the game real quick. So here I just grab this and pass it. To the mark event. Yeah, okay. And what I'm going to do is just mark the grid. So I will just say grid up. Grid dot mark object, right? Not here. It needs to be on the grid. Okay, I think I have the solution now. 1 second, 1 second. Where are you? Yeah. Let's see, where are you? Where are you? Right there. I just need to mark that position. Rather than mark Legion, I will just mark the position. Hold on. Variable grids. Grid dot variable grids on X and Y. I want you to mark that spot. Okay. That in theory should make them navigate a little bit better whenever they hit something. Yeah. Yeah. Now you need to see if you can actually have the motivation to do it. Wow. That's another good question. Yeah. Let's see. It's not. Oh, in the southern range. Okay. Hold up. The grid position. The grid position X and Y. Bar score pos equals this, and then I just say pos X pos Y. In theory, that should solve the issue. Yeah. Okay, it seems to be working correctly. They got stuck. Having difficulty Englishing? Wow. Huh. Hmm. Okay, so this is basically working, kinda. This measuring X and Y. Actually, I think I'm gonna maybe improve this. Huh. Ah. Hmm. Actually, I think I know what to do here. Yeah. I could just shift this over here and just say if you are going to crash with something at this position, uh, then just mark the obstacle. Right? And return. I don't even need to do this in theory. Let me just comment this once. Yeah, okay, let's see. Does that work? Okay, let's see how they do. They are moving, okay. Ah, they got stuck for some reason. Okay, let's give it another try like this. How about now? They just stop, huh? Why did you stop? Okay, let's see. Variables. Add value false. Direction change limit. alerted. Current position 15. Okay. Target position. Got a target position. That's the thingy right there. I can simplify this instead of the values and what it's doing. Yeah, okay. So here is basically setting that I don't really need to do because it's already set right there. Target grid position changes right there. Basically, this is resetting move backwards, right? Okay. And here I just check if the position is valid. Basically, I just need to recalculate this. Yeah, so I need to switch this real quick. Okay. I got it. 1 second. Basically, I need to switch this to recalculate like that. And this is marking the position. And here I actually just can use this like that. I don't even need it actually. I can just call it like that. And it skips a few steps by doing this. Yeah, we just mark it. And I need to return right there. Yeah, that in theory should fix the issue. It would be a select, but they may see when it uses a sword. I know aggressive and anticipate. Well, the puzzle you just mentioned, actually there is a similar version planned for this game. I don't know the exact details about the one you're planning, so it might not be perfect. Yeah, mine is different. It's actually quite different. It just also uses the huge door kind of thing. Yeah. And mine is way, way, way more complex, right? Yeah. So let's say if yours is like basically you have a giant door with a key that you need to use, and you need to find the key using the information you did it. Mine has significantly more keys. And I also hide the door. Yeah. I just wanted to make sure you knew I'm not copying you. You don't want to make anything too crazy. That's the thing I do. At least for that particular door. Yeah. Let's see. Arabic position next. Actually, this I could go to get previous of that. Yeah. So it actually moves to a different location. Yeah. Let's give it a try. Let's see what happens. It seems still gets stuck, huh? By finding your position, grabs that. Great. Great flying, great call. Not finding equals to done. Ah, there it is. This is for the wind up. There is the move right there. Set target. Just make the next Flappy Bird and you will be rich. Yeah. Sadly, that kind of stuff happens. Yeah. An attack position. This grabs from the player. Okay. Set target. Great. Set target. Set target. Okay. We grab the position. Filter it. Grab the target. Set the call. Recalculate. Okay. Actually, I can just maybe do this to fix the issue. Yeah. Instead of just doing this, I can just grid dot set target with grid dot target. Right? That's this is mark object. I calculate set target. That's not the correct object. It's a vector too. Okay. Okay, that actually looks okay. Yeah, okay. So I reset the grid, recalculate, and request the next position. Okay, okay. You're not so soulless. That almost kinda worked, but now it's spamming recalculations and this is hitting everything. Okay, stop. Get previous file, please. Maybe that would make it easier. Okay, let's see. How about that one? It crashed. Okay, so that's not a good idea. Target grid position X variable grid. Actually, how about if I do something a bit silly? If I do just this? I basically send the enemy backwards several grid cells back. And it's not working. Why are you not working? Okay, so we grab the current position and we put it, let's call this push 1, right? So we grab a new position right there. And then I switch to post 2, and from post 2 we calculate like this. That way I move backwards a few times, and then we get the calculate position. And actually, that actually doesn't work. Yeah. I need to basically do this. Now it should work. Why is it not working? You plan the moveset and you're kinda liking it. You could try making one again, even if you don't make it as complex as I do. And we check require the call. We grab a new position. If current create position equals the goal, then we're done. If not, we are not done, and we grab the next position. Wait, that's actually kind of wrong. Wait. This needs to be over here. So this updates that. And then I need to get the world position of actually no, I already have it, so I just check this. So I just say bar underscore post equals to new vector 2 with x and y, right? And then I just call this. I just call equals. I just say, let's call this world position. World position dot equals target world position. If we are at the exact position we need to be, then we check that we're actually at the goal, and we basically say we're done, right? Else we go continue, right? And we calculate this with the current grid position. That gives us the target. right? A planet moveset a little mage with spells from 2 elements. Okay. Actually, I can simplify this. I can just move this up and use this one instead of creating a new one right there. And I can just set an ant right here and just use this just to verify. And I don't need this if right there. And I can move this into the else, basically. Yeah. And this is extra. Great call. Actually, no. 1 second. That's incorrect. That's better, actually. Because the fact that we are at the target position doesn't mean we are at the goal. Yeah. So we move to the next tile. Basically, we select it. Then I check if that's an obstacle. Okay, and mark it. And I actually don't need this. This moves back, so I can just switch. Let me make function and go back, just so I don't have to type so much stuff. And here, if we hit something, we just go back. As simple as that. Right? Yeah, we mark the target and go back, basically. Is it, yeah? Uh, Let me set it to something ridiculous. Okay. To make sure it doesn't choose that again. Okay, okay. Okay. Ah! I hate this. Why are you... What is happening here? Let's see. I wanna see what happens when you are marking the obstacle. It's not marking the obstacle. Oh wait, maybe because I didn't trigger the debug. Whoops. Let's see. Okay, there we go. Let's see what we have. Variables. Let's see. Current position is 2811. Target position is 2812. So it's moving down 1 in Y. Okay. Target grid position. Attack range, go back. Let me get the value, actually. Mark cell. Mark cell. I'm grabbing the value right there. So let's see. Bar underscore value is this one. I will just grab the thing here. Okay, and that way at least I know the value. Not that one, right? And I also want to know the value for the current grid position. Like that. Come on. Ah, I forgot to trigger the book. Oops. Okay. Come on. Okay. Let's see. Variables. I'm looking for value 0. What is it? Value 0, value 0. Why is not here? Oh, there it is, value 0. Right? Negative 90,000. That's quite the value. So value 0 is lower than the one I'm trying to mark, right? Interesting. Okay, 1 second. Let me grab another one for this one right there. 0, 1, and 2. And I will set a space right there just so I can put the break. Okay. Let's see one more time. The pathfinding is such a nightmare. Okay, let's see. Why is this annoying thing here? Variables. Come on. Okay. Suddenly is eating so much. Why are you having so much trouble? Yeah, hold on. Something's not right. Yeah, this is not causing an issue. What happened there? Ah, 1 second. Huh? Why is not triggering? Bar. Hold on. Bar out equals to nothing. Not that. The book. Okay, there we go. Now we have the pause. Okay, and we have the first value 0 is negative 86, right? 87 is value 1 and value 2 is 100. That is, I check the values within the cell and it's actually working as I intended, right? So technically they shouldn't be targeting this position as a valid position, right? Okay. So, when we move, I'm wondering, where are we trying to go? Right? So let me place it right there. And let's check. Work position is that. Targets. Targets. 18.2. 19.12. Hold on. Let me just grab the value of the target. Because this is really confusing me. Okay. Pathfinding is so annoying. Okay. Let's see variables. So value isn't 0. Okay, let's just skip that one. And now value is still 0. Okay, maybe I will wait for the trigger right there. Continue. It triggered. Okay, what value do you have over here? Let's see. Value 1 has us 100. So this shouldn't be selected here. That shouldn't be correct. Why is this selecting 100? Maybe it's because I never changed this. 1 second. Maybe I need to call this value right here to grab the next correct value instead. Hola, bienvenido, bienvenido, bienvenido. Let's see. Okay, that's the trigger. And now we'll check right here. Okay. Let's see. We have value. That's a different kind of value. Okay. Maybe a correr. Comer. Ahora estás de vuelta. Bienvenido. Bienvenida. So this actually changed this time. Yeah. Okay. Let's give it a try. It's stuck. Going back and forth. Damn it. Okay, so basically it goes here and this goes back. And go back. I need to see what is happening here. Just so I don't forget that I need to remove these lines. Ah, I need to remove this one. Okay, let's see. Ah, it got stuck, but it's not triggering the go back. Interesting. That's very interesting. So if I pause and I go back to where it's actually checking, we continue. It's not triggering the nothing either. Huh. Okay. It's targeting. Okay. We are here. And basically we set the place to 100. Okay. We continue. And the go back is not triggering. Huh. That's weird. Maybe it's the map that is causing the issue? Would that be the issue? So rather than putting it on 100, how about I just grab the value and increase it by 1? Yeah. Let's see. I feel like now I'm just guessing. It got stuck. And it's not even triggering anything. Oh, it moved, but it's still stuck. Hold on. Let me check again. Okay. Here we have the variables basically just increasing slowly, right? So if we click, it just stops again. So I'm just to remove that and hit play. Now we hit the go back. And on the go back, we have the target. I mean, 296. Uh, 25 at 12. So it's trying to go south still. That's weird. Okay, let's check current position and target position on the go back. Just to know where are we trying to go. Let's see. Huh. It's not triggering the go back. Okay. That's there. Okay. We continue. We're still triggering that. We keep running. Now we trigger the go back. Let's see. Current position 29, 11, 29, 12. So it's trying to go down. Okay. And the values are 86 and 87. And these are the same. Oh, interesting. Actually, it's not affecting the got back. Value 1 is the target. Yeah, because it's nowhere. And that's what makes it so they start dancing in place. Yeah. Huh. Yeah, that's where they get stuck right there. Oh. Ah, okay. Okay, I think I will have to continue this later. I still don't have a good idea of how to do this. Yeah, I'm not sure how to solve this issue.
E.
Value 0. Oh great, I think I just noticed my mistake. It used to be value 1 instead of value 0. Was that the issue? Wait. Was that the issue? Wait. Nope. Ah. Ouch. And now we lag. Lovely. Well, whatever. I will figure it out eventually. Yeah. Let me set to 100 this, like I was doing before. And I will remove all these extra codes that I placed just to see what was happening. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Then I guess I will be stopping here for today. So let's go back to my room.
The thing that happened is said in a way that just sounds like a normal event. Fourth, they need to have a PhD in rocket science, quantum physics, ancient languages, geology, archaeology, microbiology, astrophysics to even understand what the puzzle is about. Poem.
Well, that's quite a puzzle.
E. Good night, everyone.
Okay, then I suppose I will be stopping for today. I need to go grab something for dinner. Yeah. Yeah. It's so annoying that I couldn't figure out the problem with the pathfinding. Yeah. That's so annoying. Well, I need to think about it because it's still a big issue that I think it needs to be solved. Yeah. Okay, so I guess I will be stopping here for today. And this room has a firefly inspiration. That might look magical, depending of circumstances. Okay, thank you for coming today. As always, check Discord so you can vote for the next game I'm going to play on Thursday and on Friday. Yeah. There's a few on the floor. They look like cockroaches. Well, cocky body. Cocky body fireflies. I forgot what I was saying. Oh yeah, go to Discord and vote for the games that I will be playing on Thursday and Friday. Vayan al Discord y ahí pueden votar por los juegos que voy a jugar en jueves y viernes. Mañana decido alrededor de la 1 para mí. Yeah, 1 p.m. Yeah, I will decide on the games on tomorrow around 1 p.m. Yeah, my time, that is. And yes, also I will publish the surprise. It actually Red Hat that it is. But yeah, I will be publishing the schedule tomorrow because I have yet to decide on the games. Yeah. Also tomorrow, hopefully, I will have the next chapter of Celeste Progress Only edit. Yeah. So you can look forward to that. Yes. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. The prototype for the game is already public. Yeah. Just so you can go ahead and check it out. Yes. Good night. Bye bye. Sleep well. Good night. Nos vemos. Buenas noches. Que descansen. Duerman bien. Yeah.
Good night.
Don't die. Yeah. Good night. Hello, Kilfara. Welcome. Welcome. And goodbye. Good night. Adios. Buenas noches. Que descansen. Good night. Bye.
Okay, but how do I get this? I'd go figure it out. Instructions unclear, clipping through door. Limau. And since the puzzle would be optional, that means the player could go through the whole game and go like, wait, what about that giant door? That's a good idea. Now only to see if my lazy ass can actually gather the motivation to make it. Here, I'll give you all the motivation I have, get you started on your project. It's not much, literally. Well, I do have an idea for an MC and a moveset. A MC. God damn it, Ricardo learned English. Verthandy's character here can do Getsuga Tensho, so don't tell me yours is Rasengan. I'm sorry, I didn't watch Dragon Ball, so I don't know what those mean. You're breaking my heart, Ricardo. Italian hand gestures. Good. It would be a Zelda-like, but the MC wouldn't use a sword, so I'm not plagiarizing Verthandy's game. But I made my one from scratch and I'm using a different thing as a base. No need to flex, but okay. I don't wanna make anything too crazy. Just make the next Flappy Bird and you'll be rich. No, I hate Flappy Bird. I mean a simple game that is somewhat addictive. Like Flappy Bird or Suica game. Exhibit A of why I'm not doing that. I don't want to. I'll mostly do those as practice. And then add gambling targeted towards toddlers that is so devious governments will set up laws to ban your game. I'm evil, not soulless, Limau. Okay, I planned the moveset and I'm kinda liking it. A little mage with spells from 2 elements. You'll never figure out which elements I picked. Never guess. Fire. And water. Wrong, Limau. The element of surprise, Limau. No target me. Haha, random spot go bra ra 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 ra, Holim. Otrabesh. XD, Ola. Me arbia ido, akama wailu a go me discharge con la senora de la casa que me platicaba aguinas cosas de su vida y como fue que construyó la casa donde estoy ahora. Pero aquí toy de vuelta, Ola. XD. Got him. Silencie justo antes de que sonara skids. Oh right. Time alert. E. Slimes vibrating at incredibly high speed, not clickbait. Good night everyone. Good night fellas. I forgot to put the parry. Okay, my room has a firefly infestation. No. There's a few on the floor. They look like cockroaches. E. Good night. Hello Verthandy. Bye Verthandy. E_N_I grave. Croissant. Banana. Hasta mañana, D. Bread. Red apple. Cat, big black square, cat, big black square. Duck, left pointing finger, bread.
E com acento agudo _NH_ e com acento grave.